Hey, cuties! Today, instead of a specific concept like that girl or boss girl, I'm here with a video collage that brings together three important areas you might want in your life: a healthy relationship, a successful career, and an active social life. Who wouldn't want to experience all these beautiful things together? This video isn't just pretty pictures for you. Each frame will help you concretize your goals, visualize your dreams, and perhaps most importantly, inspire you to turn them into reality. But before we get to the video, it's worth clarifying a few important points. Let's start with the desire for a healthy and beautiful relationship. Have you ever thought about what kind of love you envision in your life? What kind of relationship would truly make you happy? What qualities should your partner have? And most importantly, how should that relationship make you feel? Let's clarify these. Instead of focusing on physical characteristics, focus on what kind of character his should have and what the dynamics of the relationship should be like. For example, do you want to feel free by his side? Or do you desire to be more cherished? Perhaps you'd like to laugh through life's difficulties with someone who has a great sense of humor, or a peaceful relationship with someone calm, understanding, and accepting of you just as you are. Finding the answers to these questions will bring you one step closer to the right person. Define your relationship vision clearly before starting your manifestation practice. The second step is a successful career. We talked about this before in the boss girl concept. If you have a chance, after this video, I recommend you check out that video and watch it whenever you can to support your manifestation practice. You know that a successful career isn't just measured by a high salary or a prestigious title. It also includes personal satisfaction, growth, and finding meaning. For this reason, imagine very clearly what kind of career you want, what industry you want to work in, what kind of role you're aiming for, and how this career will make you feel. Instead of just focusing on the title or salary, also consider your daily workflow and the impact you create. And finally, let's move on to your desire for an active social life. You want a social life? That's great. But just being more social isn't enough, right? Come on, let's clarify what kind of social life you want. For example, what kind of relationships are you looking for? Do you want deep, genuine friendships, or do you want a wider circle of acquaintances, meeting lots of people? Perhaps you'd like to connect with people who share specific interests. For example, joining a club, taking a course. What should your social activities be like then? How many times a week does going out feel good to you? What kind of activities bring you joy? Maybe you like sports and want to hang out at sports clubs. Maybe artistic events, concerts, exhibitions, or cultural events, theaters, festivals. And most importantly, how will this social life make you feel? Do you want to feel more connected, happier, more energetic? The answers to these questions will help you create the social circle that's just right for you. Come on, think about what you want. Once you believe you've given satisfying answers to all these questions and defined your vision, the remaining step is very simple. The photo collage in this video serves exactly this purpose as a vision board and is prepared to inspire you to attract healthy and meaningful relationships, a successful career you're passionate about, and an energetic, active social life into your life. See each image on this board as a reflection of the goals you want to achieve. Every time you look at them, you'll find the power to concretize your dreams and take action. Remember, the manifestation process begins with knowing clearly what you want and taking steps towards it. Let's begin.